Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English. Today is day 7 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today we will learn 100 more daily used English sentences to improve your daily conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. How is your work going? My work is going well. I have a lot of work today. I finished my work early. I will start my work now. I need to finish this task. I am working on it. I will complete it soon. Please give me some time. I will get back to you. Let me check it. I will confirm later. I will let you know. I will update you soon. I will contact you tomorrow. Please remind me later. I almost forgot about it. Thank you for reminding me. That was helpful. I appreciate your help. What are you doing this weekend? I am planning to relax. I am planning to travel. I want to visit a new place. I want to try something new. I want to learn something new. Let's go somewhere fun. Let's go for a walk. Let's go out for dinner. Let's watch a movie. That sounds exciting. I like that idea. I would love to join. Count me in. That will be fun. I am looking forward to it. I'm excited about it. It will be a great day. Let's enjoy together. Let's make good memories. What time did you wake up? I woke up early today. I woke up late today. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. No, I didn't sleep well. I feel sleepy today. I feel energetic today. What time is your meeting? My meeting is at 10 o'clock. When will you arrive? I will arrive soon. I will arrive in an hour. How long will it take? It will take some time. Please be patient. Just wait a little. I will finish quickly. Everything is under control. There is no problem. I am ready to go. Let's leave now. Let's start the journey. Drive carefully. Travel safely. Send me your location. I will follow you. I will meet you there. I will reach soon. I am stuck in traffic. I am running late. Sorry for the delay. Thank you for waiting. I really appreciate it. That means a lot. I respect your opinion. That's a fair point. I understand your situation. That makes sense. Let's solve this together. Learning English takes time. Practice every single day. Speak English with confidence. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you grow. Keep learning new sentences. Use English in daily life. Listen to English conversations. Try to think in English. Practice speaking aloud. Believe in your progress. You are doing great. Your English is improving daily. Stay focused on your goal. Hard work will pay off. Never stop practicing. Stay positive and motivated. Your fluency will improve soon. Keep moving forward. See you tomorrow for Day 8, 100 more daily English sentences.